Okay, this is my coffee planter, coffee container planter. I made it, I used an old desktop and put two 1x4s around the top of it and lined it with plastic. And then I took the containers and drilled holes in the bottom of it. That way the water would get out and be sucked back up in there. Doing quite well. My water is kind of high, but it's just rained. But this is what's going on with it. I'm getting ready to do a little rebuild on it. Because I think I may want to try to winter it over. So I might as well get her done. And so what I've got to do is take those legs, where it's there, that bottom part, and then I'm going to take these panels there they're going to go on this side, and when I get to that part I will show you. It'll be lower to the ground too. The box is only going to be about a foot off the ground. Alright, see you in a minute.